Assalamualaikum. Hello viewers and listeners, how are you? I hope you all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Today I am coming with narration. We know there are two kinds of narration. Number one is direct narration, and number two is indirect narration. Indirect narration. Before going to details, we have to know the definition of direct and indirect narration. What is direct narration? When a speech is quoted in the actual words used by the speaker, we can call it direct narration. And what is indirect narration? When a speech is not quoted in the actual words used by the speaker, but in the narrative style giving the meaning of the words used by the speaker, we can call it indirect narration. So, before going to details, we have to know some essential parts of narration. What should we know very well for doing this item very well? Number one, you need tense to person. Number three, sentence. And number four, changing words, or you can call it time. Changing words or changing time. So these four parts are very essential to know, to do well in this item. Today I will not discuss in details. Details will be in next class. Today I will discuss about tense. What is the good way to be capable of knowing tense very well? So look at the whiteboard. Today I will show you about tense. Dear students, Meena said, I am a student. This is the example of direct narration. For doing indirect narration, we have to change this verb, repeating verb, and this repeated speech. And within the inverted comma, it is called repeated speech. And we have to change this repeated speech according to its tense. So we have to memorize some structures of tense. So what are the structures we need to memorize to do this, to change this reported speech? Look at the whiteboard. I have written. To change the reported speech, we have to know the structures of tense. We have to know 6 items of tense. Number one, present indefinite. If you find reported speech is in present indefinite, you should change it into past indefinite. And if you find reported speech in present continuous, we can make it past continuous. And if you get present perfect, you should change it into past perfect. Present perfect continuous, that will be past perfect continuous. Past indefinite will be past perfect, and past continuous will be past perfect continuous. So this is the formula of tense to memorize. You should memorize the structures of those tenses. But today I will show how to change this reported speech without memorizing structures of the tense. So what is the way to without memorizing the structures of tense? Okay, my students, let's see, without memorizing the structure of tense, what are the ways of changing reported speech? I have already told you that you no need to memorize the structures of the tense. So what are the ways to do narration without memorizing the structure of the tense? You can see this is shortcut formula. This is shortcut formula. You need to know about auxiliary, modal verbs and main verbs. So if you get in the reported speech this am is are, it will be was or were. If you get have, it will be had. And if you find was or were, it will be had been. So what is the shortcut formula of auxiliary verb? Again I am repeating. Am is are will be was were, have will be had, and was were will be had been. This is auxiliary verbs of shortcut formula. Next to the auxiliary verb, that is modal. This is modal verbs. If you find can will be could, may will be might, shall will be should, will be would, must will be had to. And these are the shortcut formula of modal verbs, and next to it is main verbs. If you get main verbs in the reported speech, you have to memorize minimum 3 structures of the tense. So what are the 3 structures? Number 1, present indefinite. You have to know the structure of present indefinite to identify the name of the tense. And number 2, you have to also memorize past indefinite and its structure. And number 3, the structure of past perfect. These 3 you need to memorize the structures of the tense, because if you find main verb in the reported speech, then you need to memorize these structures. These 3 are only needed for main verb, and you don't need all the structures of the tense I have given you writing. Those are not needed. Only these 3 structures are needed if you find main verb in reported speech. So that's all for the tense class. So for your betterment, I am writing the structures of these 3 tense. Present indefinite structure is subject plus verb present form plus object. Past indefinite structure is subject plus verb past form plus object. And past perfect structure is subject plus had plus verb past participle form plus object. So these are all for shortcut formula without memorizing the structures, whole structures of the tense. Only you need auxiliary modal verbs and main verbs for changing reported speech. So this is the shortcut formula I have shown you. So today that's all. Next class will be in details. Allah Hafiz.